What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this awesome widget on your iPhone, the circular icon on your iPhone. How to do this for free is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After, let me just delete this widget. Go to your app store and find this app right here, the quick widget, just like this. Click on open. Let me just delete this previously made widget. Now your app gonna open just like this, okay? We have small, medium, and large. I'm looking for a large widget, so click on add widget. No worries, this app has some ads on it, so you most need to watch some ads to keep using for free. Choose this one right here, the circular icon. Then you can click into every single icon. For example, you can click into this plus icon and apply the camera icon to the center. You can change this Tesla icon for another icon in the case that you want. All up to you. Scroll down. Make sure you mark this option right here to use the transparent options and to make the icon circle. And right here on the colors, review this second option right here, the section from left to right, okay? This one, to set up the background. Now, here is the secret, okay? Go to your iPhone screen, click to edit, go to an empty screen, just like this one, and take a screenshot, just like this. Save your picture, go back to the app, and set this screenshot, just like this. Select the screenshot, set one, select again, set again. Of course, it can be the normal mode and dark mode, and you can take a screenshot of each in the case that you want. Now, go back after screenshot set and save. You must watch a video to unlock this widget forever, okay? You need to watch the video, sorry for that. After, go to the edit screen, review the upper left corner of your iPhone, click on editor, add widget. Here is the widget, quick. We have small, go to the large, add widget, just like this. Click on it, select widget, choose. Here is our widget. Display mode can be normal and it's transparent, okay? Now all you have to do is wait and you are good to go. Here is your widget. Nice, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!